Now, I mentioned that in Atomy we have over 500 to 600 products, but I'm going to talk about this amazing product here called HemoHIM. Now, this product was made by the Korean Atomic Energy Research Institution, not by Atomy, okay, by a government project. The researchers at Kerry picked the brightest and the cleverest people of the country. But when they were turning 40 to 50, because they were exposed to so much radiation, they could no longer work and they were also affected with cancer. So the government and this Kerry said we need to find a way to help these people, and they researched and developed HemoHIM. What kind of treatment do you go through? You go through chemotherapy. And when you go through chemo, what happens to your immune system? Does it go up or does it go down? It goes down. So Kerry said we need to make a product that can increase everyone's immune system. And it's been so effective with the side effects of chemo that they said this product should not be just kept for few people, but it should be given to everyone. So they started working together with Atomy, and it was manufactured to be distributed all around Korea. Right now, every hour we sell 400 boxes. It's been ranked #1 best-selling supplement in the industry for 8 years running. It's ranked #1 exported Korean health functional food, and cumulative sales hit 1.2 billion pounds. Now, this isn't just a random product. It actually has 22 patents around the world. It has been proven to increase immune system and to increase energy as well. So this is the ultimate product. So let's talk about HemoHIM's history. When HemoHIM was first developed, Atomy did not have the license to distribute HemoHIM. The license was with another company, and they were selling it for around 700,000 won. That's a lot of money for someone to be spending every month for a supplement. So our chairman said this product should be available for everyone. Okay, remember, we want to give luxury products accessible to everyone. So he got it down to around 88,000 Korean won, nearly 10 times cheaper. Over 10 years, let's see what happened to the price. The price remained the same. Let's have a look at most companies. Most companies, if a product is popular, what do they do to the price? They will increase the price, or they will reduce the amount you get inside. So if you have a look at McDonald's, their burgers are getting smaller and smaller every year. So every company is doing everything to make as much profit as they can. But with Atomy, over 10 years, price has been kept low. But if you look at the volume, it started with 30 in a box to 48 to 54, now to 60 packets in a box. So the volume has doubled. So most companies will increase the price and reduce the volume. So I asked the chairman, why are you not going the same way as other companies? And he said, if we benefit the consumers first, profits will follow later. And that's what Atomy is. Atomy is a very consumer-centered management, giving back to consumers as much as possible.